Hey everyone, welcome back to Kubia Games. Hope y'all are doing well. Today we're gonna solve the money puzzle box holder. This is a very cool money holder. As you can see, this is a specimen. It's not a real $100. And you can put whatever bill you want or a check, if people still use checks, or let's say a gift card. Yeah, let me show you how to solve this, how to open it first to put something in and how to lock it. So let's go. So this one is pretty simple. It has two steps. You see one side is clear and one side is not. It's very nice wood finish. And yeah, so two steps. First step is if you want to open it, you need to shake it to the bottom. This is the bottom. And then this simply slides out like this. And then you take the top off and you can get your money or whatever it is that you put in it. So you can put even a few bills, not just one. Now, if you want to lock it again, you simply slide it here like this. And you want to give it a shake to this side towards the top. And we're locked again. See, kind of simple, very cute. If you want to give it to someone you really like, or don't. If you want to give someone a gift card and make it special, this will be it. Very cute. Make sure to check out the link in the subscription box, in the description box, sorry, kubiagames.com. We look forward to hearing from you, so make sure to leave a comment if you like this. If you don't, if you manage to solve it on your own, let us know what you think. Hope to hear from you.